So what up, nandito na naman tayong bumabalik with another upgrade of Gel Blaster. So yung name po ng unit natin is Simbaytak, yung mid-end Gel Blaster po. Yung owner po nito is from Tagum City na si Sir Kira. So yung nag-approach po si Sir sa akin through Messenger. Nakapanood po siya ng mga previous video ko. So, interesado po siyang mag-upgrade ng unit na to. So, yung unit na to guys is mid-end Gel Blaster. So, yung suggested ko na upgrade is yung green O-ring tsaka yung M60 na spring. So, this is the only upgrades lang po na pwede natin malagay sa unit ni Sir. Kasi yung battery mismo niya is 7.4, tsaka yung internals niya is fully nylon structures including the outer part. So alright, without further ado, intro please. So alright guys, na-open na natin yung unit ni Sir. So ito yung laman ng internals niya. Gearbox niya, nylon plastic. Yung structures ng mga wires niya is andito. So, ito pala yung motor niya guys. So, yung trigger niya is dito sa may hawakan mismo ng unit.